I bet you didn't know what life's like when you've made it. When you've got so much going on, you need a small army just to keep things running smoothly. Today, we're diving into the world of the ultra efficient, where life means hiring experts for everything. If you're thinking, must be nice to not worry about laundry, you're spot on. But it's more than just convenience. It's about building a life where every detail is handled by professionals. Curious? Let's dive in. Introduction. I bet you didn't know how the ultra-wealthy manage their busy lives. Welcome to Personal Concierge Services. You've got a schedule busier than a CEO's inbox on Monday morning. That's where Personal Concierge Services come in. Think of them as your life wranglers, organizing your schedule, booking exclusive dinners, and yes, even making sure your pet iguana's birthday party is a hit. It's like having a magic genie, but without the lamp rubbing. And why does this matter? When every minute is a premium commodity, delegating these tasks allows you to focus on the good stuff: family, personal pursuits, or even adding a few extra zeros to that bank account. Who needs the hassle when there's a pro to handle the details? Stop doing house chores. Do what you love instead. Welcome to house cleaning services. As wealth increases, the necessity of house cleaning services becomes more pronounced, offering a vital solution for busy individuals seeking to reclaim their time and mental space. Engaging professional cleaners not only alleviates the burden of household chores, but also significantly reduces stress levels. With the demands of work, family, and personal pursuits, many find that outsourcing cleaning tasks allows them to focus on what truly matters, fostering a more balanced and enjoyable lifestyle. The transition from do-it-yourself cleaning to hiring professionals marks a significant shift towards efficiency. It enables individuals to allocate their time to more rewarding activities, whether that's spending quality moments with loved ones or pursuing personal interests. Moreover, the evolution of cleaning services has been remarkable, adapting to meet the higher standards expected by affluent clients. Today's cleaning companies offer specialized services, including eco-friendly products, deep cleaning, and customized schedules tailored to individual needs. This evolution reflects a growing awareness of the importance of maintaining a pristine living environment, which not only enhances comfort, but also contributes to overall well-being. Gone are the days of DIY dust busting. As life gets busier, delegating household cleaning isn't just a luxury, it's a sanity saver. Picture coming home to a place that's sparkling, with eco-friendly products, and perhaps even a little aromatherapy touch in the air. It's about more than a clean floor. It's about reclaiming peace of mind and mental space. Today's cleaning services don't just mop. They offer custom schedules, deep cleaning, and sustainable methods. So you can enjoy a spotless home without the "should I get around to mopping this week?" guilt. Say goodbye to scrubbing and hello to, well, living. I bet you didn't know how personal trainers have evolved over the years. Welcome to personal trainers. Forget your stereotypical gym bro trainer. Personal trainers now are more like wellness warriors. They're here to help you build a healthier, happier life, focusing on fitness and mindfulness. This isn't just about lifting weights. It's about staying proactive in managing your health. In recent years, there has been a significant shift from basic fitness routines to a more comprehensive approach to health management, making the hiring of a personal trainer increasingly beneficial. Personal trainers are no longer just fitness instructors. They have evolved into lifestyle coaches who provide tailored guidance on nutrition, exercise, and overall wellness. This holistic approach ensures that clients not only achieve their fitness goals, but also cultivate sustainable habits that enhance their quality of life. As wealth accumulates, the importance of preemptive health measures becomes paramount in wealth management. Investing in one's health is a crucial aspect of preserving wealth, as it reduces the risk of chronic diseases and associated healthcare costs. Personal trainers play a vital role in this preventive strategy by designing customized fitness programs that address individual needs and goals, ensuring that clients remain active and healthy. Furthermore, they offer accountability and motivation, which can be invaluable for those juggling busy schedules. By prioritizing health through the expertise of a personal trainer, individuals can optimize their physical well-being, leading to increased productivity and a more vibrant lifestyle. Ultimately, hiring a personal trainer is not just an investment in fitness, it's a commitment to a healthier, more fulfilling life. With each session, you're not just getting fitter, you're keeping potential health issues at bay. Plus, personal trainers give that extra push to stay on track with busy schedules. It's the ultimate investment in longevity, mental clarity, and energy, turning every session into an investment in a better you. I bet you didn't know how much a private chef can transform your life. Welcome to Chapter 5, Private Chefs. Imagine a world where you never worry about what's for dinner again. That's the power of having a private chef. From meal planning to gourmet execution, these culinary magicians whip up meals that fit your health goals, tastes, and cravings, all while you focus on, well, anything else. With a personal chef handling grocery shopping, cooking, and cleanup, individuals can reclaim valuable hours in their busy schedules, allowing them to focus on work, family, or personal pursuits. Additionally, personal chefs enhance meal quality by utilizing fresh, high-quality ingredients and culinary expertise, resulting in delicious and nutritious dishes that elevate everyday dining experiences. Another key advantage is the customization of meals to fit complex dietary needs. Whether someone is managing food allergies, following a specific diet plan, or simply seeking to eat healthier, personal chefs can create tailored menus that cater to these requirements. This level of personalization ensures that meals are not only enjoyable, but also aligned with health objectives. Furthermore, many personal chefs collaborate with health professionals, such as nutritionists and dietitians, to develop meal plans that support overall wellness. This partnership ensures that clients receive balanced nutrition that meets their unique health needs. Ultimately, hiring a personal chef is an investment in both time and health, providing a convenient solution for those seeking to enhance their dietary habits without compromising on quality. Private chefs take eating to a whole new level. Whether you're aiming for organic, keto, vegan, or just really love truffle pasta, they've got it covered. It's customized, convenient, and takes treating yourself to a new level. And optimized for the long term. This is going to blow your mind. Welcome to Luxury Concierge Services. When life's one VIP experience after another, luxury concierge services are your golden ticket. Need last-minute Michelin star reservations or a private jet to Paris tomorrow? Done. These pros make the impossible happen and do it with style. This level of service is particularly important in affluent lifestyles, where personalized attention can make all the difference. Concierges take the time to understand their clients' preferences and needs, tailoring their services to create unique and memorable experiences that reflect individual tastes. Furthermore, luxury concierge services offer a global reach and access that is unparalleled. With extensive networks and relationships in various industries, concierges can provide clients with exclusive opportunities, from VIP access to high-profile events to unique travel experiences that are often unavailable to the general public. This ability to navigate the complexities of luxury living not only saves time, but also enriches the overall lifestyle of clients. Ultimately, luxury concierge services are essential for those seeking to optimize their time and elevate their experiences, ensuring that every moment is spent enjoying life to the fullest. Concierges make sure every experience is tailored to your taste. They've got insider connections and the finesse to handle any request, meaning you get to enjoy a lifestyle where impossible just isn't in the vocabulary. You need to hear this if you're a high achiever. Private medical care. Imagine scheduling a specialist visit without a month-long wait, or getting preventive care without jumping through hoops. For the affluent, private healthcare is about staying ahead. Regular checkups, personalized health plans, and access to world-class care. It's healthcare on your terms, focused on keeping you at your best. After all, good health is priceless, and with private care, the focus is on preventing problems before they even begin. Their travel. Welcome to private travel. Private travel has become a staple for those who value time and convenience. Skip the crowds, long waits, and boarding delays. Private jets offer luxury, comfort, and efficiency. By choosing private travel, executives can maximize productivity, utilizing travel time for meetings or strategic planning without the distractions commonly found in commercial settings. Ultimately, Private travel not only saves time but also provides a comfortable and tailored experience, making it an ideal choice for those seeking efficiency and luxury in their journeys. It's an ideal choice for busy professionals who need to stay productive even in transit. Every aspect is customized, allowing them to work or unwind without distractions. Private travel takes luxury up a notch, ensuring each journey is as smooth as possible. This is why you need estate planning. Wealth management isn't complete without estate planning. Passing on wealth takes careful thought, and without it, it can lead to unnecessary taxes and family conflicts. Estate planners handle the technicalities, making sure that assets are passed down smoothly. They help navigate the intricacies of trusts, wills, and other legal instruments, tailoring strategies to minimize tax liabilities and protect assets. Moreover, the long-term impact of wealth on family and community cannot be overstated. Thoughtful estate planning not only secures financial stability for future generations, but also enables philanthropic endeavors that can benefit the broader community. By fostering a culture of giving and responsible wealth management, individuals can leave a lasting legacy that positively influences both their families and society at large. Ultimately, effective wealth transfer and estate planning are essential for preserving wealth and promoting generational prosperity. It's not just about money. It's about preserving a legacy that benefits family and community alike. Effective estate planning ensures financial security for future generations and often includes philanthropic efforts that make a difference. I don't think people understand the true art of living well. So, there you have it. From personal chefs to private travel, these services represent the art of living well. If you're aiming to make your life smoother, healthier, and more efficient, these options may be worth a second look. Think this was helpful? Hit subscribe, like, and let us know which service would make your life better. See you next time, where we continue exploring the world of high-end living and wealth management.